Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good, delicious quiche pie. Delicious, simple, and easy to make. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to use a pre-prepared crust, pie crust. And what you want to do, we're going to poke holes into these all over, because we're going to put this in the oven to cook a little bit. Okay, we're going to have 1/4 cup of milk put with our eggs. We're going to have about 6 eggs here. We're going to scramble them real well. We're going to add in mushrooms. Followed by a cup and a half of shredded cheddar cheese. Next, you want to put some bacon, turkey bacon in it. Then we're going to give us a good mix. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of this mozzarella stick on the bottom. Kind of break this up. Not too. Okay, now we're going to put our quiche in here. Now we're going to put a cheddar. Well, first, before we do that, we're going to put a squash up here. This is going to be a good, delicious pie. That's enough right there. Now we're going to take the rest of our cheddar and we're just going to sprinkle this all over. Now take a look at that. Look at that quiche. That is delicious looking quiche right there. And we're going to do a taste test on these eggs. This is egg, bacon, cheese, mushrooms in this. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Boy, that looks delicious right there. Cheesy. Well, that's so delicious. So cheesy, creamy. That is very, very delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoy my videos, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a blessing day.